Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to surrender in Dota 2 using the built-in feature that allows your team to end the match early when things aren't going your way. Step 1, surrendering in Dota 2 is simple, but there are a few rules. First, the option only becomes available after 30 minutes have passed in the game. Step 2, to begin the surrender process, press the Enter key to open Team Chat, then type GG in lowercase letters and press Enter to send it. Step 3. All players on your team must also type GG in chat. It only works if every single teammate agrees and sends the command after the 30-minute mark. Once everyone types GG, the match will automatically end and count as a loss, but it lets you move on without wasting more time. This feature is useful when your team agrees that a comeback is unlikely and it's better to regroup and focus on the next match instead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Dota 2 guides and quick tips.